What go go on, you know? And that my wife, you know.
Yes.
Real life, we living it. Them want it all and now nothing forgive, nothing forgive, volume. Feed them life in a mess, and of them want tell me how to live. All eyes on me like Machiavelli. Las Vegas, them. What chat man like bitch. Said them real but them a real snitch. Them never want to see the respect rich. Them want to see my life in a ditch. Every day me get up me I build some new hits. All in on my mind say me must get rich. If I know this site well all the music. Them I know my dogs around them in a hit. Why them stacking up bricks, yo we stacking up block. Them no want to see the youth them setting up shop. Them want set up with life for we get gunshot. Them say Vegas I make too much cash. We lost it up and blast it up. That the girl them never left for number out of them can't talk. Any girl we not can know them have to come back. Need two more daughter like me and yash them a watch chat man like bitch. Say them real but them a real snitch. Them never want to see the respect rich. Them want to see my life in a ditch. Every day me get up me and build some new hits. All in on my mind say me must get rich. If I know this site well add the music. Them and all me dogs around them yo. Them a watch out me life just going through a phase. When they see the hard time, them a hope and pray for we fall upon ice. So them can sit down one side and rejoice. Never went that way, they get a youth, them a rise. And not too my wise. Real life, we live it up, you know. Up there.
All right, respect what Mr. Ford center stage, excited, you know. You understand? I know you believe in yourself and believe in your song. You understand? But we leave everything to the judges right now. So we're starting from Nero. Nero, may I tell you, respect one, right?
Yeah, man. First thing for me is the energy, the confidence, and I can hear everything we must say. So that's a goal for me right there. That's a goal for me right there. You get me?
All right. So you know, if it's a 40, you understand? I know Nero said that. So we like how you start out and everything, you know? All right, General. Hear what you have to say.
Yeah, Rasta. You know, yeah, presentation. First thing, as me I tell you, image. You see me I deal with. I know through COVID make you be two gloves in. That's the image. And for know. You over the me I did. I love how you forward and you take full control of the whole stage. You know what I mean? You come show a lot of contestants say the fire phone low. The microphone are low, you know what I mean? But at the same time, enough people try to take the microphone off of the stand. You know what I mean? But you should say it can work and you stay within the boundaries of the X for perform. You see me I did some, I love that. You see me I did some manners and respect your vocals, but your song tough. You see me I did what I look forward to see you in the competition. You see me I did.
All right, remember the votes them goes out, you don't know. Respect one. Hey, big up yourself, family.